Build an automation stack, actions for resizing, export presets for platforms, and smart object templates for recurring clients. Create a central asset library, logos, textures, color grades. Link them, don't paste them. Use conditional actions to apply different sharpening, depending on output size. Batch process entire folders while you work on creative decisions. For revisions, structure layers by client language, background, subject, text. Feedback becomes faster to implement. This workflow converts Photoshop into a silent assistant. You spend energy on design. The system handles the rest.